The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. With high-precision weapons, the Russian aerospace forces targeted the workshops of the Kommunar defense enterprise, destroying the head parts for the Ukrainian anti-ship missiles Neptune produced at the enterprise. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy made a failed attempt to launch an offensive against Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. More than 20 personnel, 1 tank, 1 armored personnel carrier and 3 cars were annihilated by Russian troops when they repelled the attack. In Krasny Liman direction, with forces up to a battalion tactical group, the enemy attempted to attack the Russian positions in the direction of Chervono-Popovka and Novovodinoye of Lugansk People's Republic, with 2 reinforced companies. All enemy attacks have been repulsed. More than 80 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 6 tanks, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 5 pickup trucks of the armed forces of Ukraine. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,308 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,967 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,516 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,709 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.